Hey guys, and welcome back to Mischiefmaker TV. Now, I have some news to share with you. I have decided to do a daily vlog. That's right, 10 minutes each day, just showing you my day-to-day life. Now, what made me come up with this idea? I just recently turned 34, like a couple of days ago, and thought that I would hold myself accountable for doing something every day. And this is what I've chosen. So, I don't know how it's going to turn out. I have a feeling it's going to be pretty difficult. Storytelling is... I'm good when people are in front of me. I can tell a story pretty cool, I think. But when you have to kind of think about what's going on and plan, that's when it becomes a little hairy for me. Even if I do have something planned, 9 times out of 10, it's completely schmooshed and I just gotta go with the flow. So instead of me yapping on about nothing in particular, let's get vlog number 1 done. Okay, so what am I doing first this wonderful Monday? I am heading to the Walmarts. I'm not heading to Walmart for all the other reasons like everyone else, like toilet paper, milk, eggs, cleaning stuff. None of that. I'm actually going in there to get my insulin. I have type 1 diabetes. I wear a pump. And yeah, I need some insulin for that pump. Now, I normally have like a bunch of reserves, which I do, but I'm coming to like the bottom of that line where I feel a little uncomfortable just in case something like this happens. So let's go check it out, see if they have any first of all. I can't imagine they would be out of that, but also toilet paper is like non-existent right now, so I don't really know. So let's go check this out together. All right. This is our seasonal and cereals. Well, you're kind of screwed if you want any kind of cereal. You can see All Bran is very popular these days. I mean, all the candy is still here. They're going hard. Oh. The baking aisle looks pretty good. Wow.
Yeah, they won't get our trucks today.
Soups and pastas. This is just incredible. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Oh man, I'm good. I do not envy your guys' jobs right now. Can't keep everything on the shelf, right?
No, it's not even in it. It's not even so much that. It's just that the cranky customers.
Oh,
You know?
you just gotta ignore those ones.
I know.
Well, thank you so much for everything you're doing.
Oh, thank you, love.
Alright, this is my section now. Like, even this is kind of crazy. Right, let's go get some insulin. Alright guys, I did it. Thank you, Walmart. I got my supply of insulins. Very happy. Testing strips too. Thank you, Walmart. You may not have been able to provide cereal, toilet roll, or any cleaning stuff, but you are keeping me alive another day. Okay, I'm so dramatic. Right, now we're off to the Rockstar Garage, see what's happening there, and I'm gonna be picking some stuff up today and you are gonna be coming with me, so. All right, so Walmart done. On the way to the Rockstar Garage, I'm hungry. It is 10:47. I haven't had anything to eat today yet. Oh, I've come to Panera, good old Panera. I'm like a moth to a flame to this place for their Greek yogurt and their fruit. It is pretty banging. So I'm gonna go ahead and just eat that. Happy chappy right now. So good. So good. Wow. I gotta eat this and get to the garage. See what the plan is for today. Okay, so I just got to the Rockstar Garage and Mischiefmaker is in bits and pieces. I just want to go wheel him. That's all I want to do. But today I'm going to do something that will make him look a little teeny better, but let me show you what kind of a mess he is actually in. Okay guys, so you know how I told you before, my day-to-day life, I'll have it planned and then it always turns upside down. Well, guess what just happened? I had a plan for today and that is not happening. So I will be doing that tomorrow. So stay tuned for that.
It's amazing the subtle games that you are playing, and you don't even know I exist. But you have got me on your hit list, and you're conspiring. Girl, you are sexual and bad, and now you got this on your conscience. Because now I'm unresponsive. Oh, but call your mama, tell her you love her. That's not bad for you. Run through the fire, I walk the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home. We can feel the floor underneath our feet. Five shots.
So we are just switching out a front axle. He actually already did the rear one and I thought since I'm here I would learn how to switch it out. So I've just been helping along with them. Just a normal Monday, typical Monday.
Obvious, instead of giving into the frying, the frying. Run through the fire, I walk the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home.
Okay, we have the axle out. I unfortunately cannot stay to help put the new axle in, but that was a very cool experience. This is the first time I've done that to an axle. So now it's time to head back and get some work done at the house. So I have been back at the house for a little over an hour, I think, and I have just been emailing and doing stuff for my fellow ambassadors at the Rockstar Garage. So now I'm moving on to tomorrow. Hilarious, it's already changed. I told you, everything changes hour to hour. But I am going to be doing something pretty cool and exciting and picking something up tomorrow, and you guys are going to come with. Now, if you are liking this channel, then please hit the subscribe, like, and comment. And I guess I will see you guys again tomorrow for vlog number 2. See you guys.